So today, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how to actually make money on Instagram, especially if you're just getting started and you're a beginner.
Working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day.
All right, guys, so welcome back to this series. If you have not started to watch the series, check out the first and second video here and here. Today, we're talking about how to monetize your Instagram. We talked about how to build a brand, how to try to grow your Instagram, but how do we make money on this thing, right? There's a million different ways, actually. And if you want to know more in every single way, we actually created a course. You guys can check that out below, but I'm not gonna talk to you about that now. I'm gonna give you guys some quick ways to make money on Instagram. If you're growing your account, you could always do, if you want to get like some beer money or just some fast food money or whatever, it's not going to pay you a ton unless you grow your account massively into the hundreds of thousands or millions. You can do shoutouts. What shoutouts means is basically people DM you because you've grown a good page and say, hey, how much to shout me out? You can pay people to shout out to grow your page, but also people will start paying you to help them grow their page. And you can charge anywhere from, honestly, if you're growing big pages, a few thousand, but you can start that off at like 50, 60 bucks per shout, depending. You can build your own little packages and stuff like that. That's a quick, easy way to do it. It's not the way I like to do things because we obviously try to do things at scale. We own our own brands on everything, so we don't do that kind of stuff. Way number two, you could actually do affiliate sales. So if you don't have a product, if you don't know what to sell, if you don't have any of these things yet, it's totally fine. Depending on the niche, there's an affiliate product for that. You can go to jbzoo.com, you can go to clickbank.com, and you can check out massive amounts of affiliate programs of people in all kinds of space. Health, wellness, personal development, make money online, archery, gardening, it doesn't really matter. There is a product or program out there for that. So you can use that, get an affiliate link, and when people buy that product, you will be paid out. There's different payouts and stuff like that on all those platforms. So just go check out the product and it'll tell you how much they're willing to pay you. If you're a coach, consultant, if you actually have a service and you know what you're selling, you can always get people to apply, or you can get people on DMs and have conversations through that, whether it's application or conversations on DMs, and you can sell your product or service directly that way. If you're able to do that, you'll make money faster, in my opinion, because you have a real service. You're actually able to help people through an actual pain point that costs more money, and it nets more money because you're actually doing this for free. And you know, affiliate payouts, you got to get a lot of those to make a lot of money. With services and higher ticket goods and things like that, you're actually able to make money faster because it's more money. Obviously, simple math. Those are the three fastest ways. I could give you more, but it doesn't make any sense because you have to implement one of these and see which one is right for you. If you think you know which one is right for you, let's talk below, drop me a comment, let me know, and we can have a conversation. Now, if you want to hear more about this, join our course. It's got all the stuff that you need. It's got content on how to create content, how to set up your brand, detailed stuff on how to actually grow with bigger networks, how to connect with those networks, how to slide into people's DM the right way, and how to have people slide into yours the right way so you can make more money, save more time, not have to be there on Instagram or on your phone every second of the day, and be able to have more profit so you can do whatever the heck it is that you actually want to do every single day besides be on your phone. If you just want to watch the free series, cool, all good. We're going to continue to do these. Join the notification squad, subscribe, and always drop a comment below so I can help you personally. I will see you guys on the next video.